get the power off on the other side. Oh, it's nothing.
Again. Okay.
Contact?
Yep.
Don't need to have a computer come on to tell you that it's ready to go. You turn the key on, press the button. Jesus Christ.
So my cousin's husband owns a mechanic shop here in town. He came out to help out Dad for the final stretch here. They had some other troubleshooting to do on the carburetor, and said it was a solenoid, but you guys got it up and running.
Yeah.
Okay, how confident do you feel that this will move out of the shop and go on a test run?
Pretty confident now.
Okay.
I'm going to have to take this apart and find out, because this shouldn't be pumping from the pump to the carb. It should be pumping through here to the carb.
What's that?
We're pumping right to the carb, eh?
Yeah.
And we should be pumping through here, one of these.
Well, you're pulling, and then what it's doing is it's coming out of the
Oh,
top,
yeah.
and then going in and going
okay,
out.
yeah.
So it's not that way. Before it was fighting itself a little bit.
Okay. No.
But it's, you gotta get that air or whatever out of that second line going to that tank.
Okay.
On this side here.
Yeah.
What do you got to do for that?
Well,
It's just gotta prime itself. So.
good enough. Figure it out from there.
Mm-hmm. Want this side off?
Yep.
Okay, chances of you showing up again tomorrow, or high,
no,
or
I'm
low,
booked
or
for tomorrow. I'm booked for tomorrow, but thanks for asking. I appreciate that.
okay?
Yeah.
Have we got a tip of the day?
Tip of the day is, if it comes with a carburetor, leave it on.
Okay.
And don't add too much Mickey Mouse wiring on with different colors. Okay. Okay, now this is the deal. The carburetor, everything is done. You put the key on, you hit the new starter button switch, and you're ready to go.
Okay, there you go. Okay, well, Dad's got to do some housekeeping here, and hopefully tomorrow we're doing the test run video.
Tomorrow afternoon.
Tomorrow afternoon.